Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to log out your account on Fiverr. Maybe you want to log out your account on Fiverr, but you can't find the logout button on Fiverr. So today, I am going to show you on how you can log out your account on Fiverr. Check the description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see these icons below. This home icon, message icon, list icon, and then the profile icon. And this one, tap on the profile icon. And then here, to log out your account, simply scroll down and you will see this account under the settings. Tap on this account. And as you can see, in your account, your personal balance and also the logout button. So to log out your account, simply tap on this logout button. And there will be a prompt that are you sure that you want to log out? If you are sure, that simply tap on the logout button. And then in here, as you can see, I am now a guest to the Fiverr because I just log out my account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to log out your account on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to log out your account on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.